If you're coming to Bangkok by 2025, add this place to your list because Louis Vuitton is transforming your visit into a treasure trove of art, history, and yes, freebies. First up, we've got this awesome room full of big old trunks. It's where the whole Louis Vuitton story began. Stepping into the time machine with stunning lightning art, so impressive. Moving on to this room, it's like a time traveling from Louis Vuitton's first Paris shop to the innovative spirit of his successors. It's all about pushing boundaries from the monogram canvas to global luxury. Their story is so inspiring. Check this out, bags are super famous thanks to some very creative people from old classics to new faves. Each one is spatial. I mean, look at these designs. Slay! Moving on to the collaboration room. It's full of stuff made with famous artists like Supreme and Takashi Murakami. Every piece here is like a treasure. As you can see, when the bag changed, the whole room design changed seamlessly. Finally, you get to the last room where giveaway is. Louis Vuitton give you free like postcard, cool tote bags, pens for free, whatever. So don't miss out. Save this place and go.